Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to treat chlorine-damaged hair. First, let's talk about prevention. Before you even get in the pool, wet your hair thoroughly with clean, fresh water. This helps your hair absorb less chlorinated water. Next, apply a leave-in conditioner or a natural oil, like coconut or argan oil, to create a protective barrier. Finally, consider wearing a swim cap to further reduce direct contact with chlorine. These simple steps can make a big difference. Once you're out of the pool, immediate care is crucial. Rinse your hair thoroughly with fresh water right away to wash away as much chlorine as possible. Then, use a clarifying or chelating shampoo. These are specifically designed to remove chlorine and other chemical buildup from your hair. After shampooing, always follow with a deep conditioning treatment. Chlorine strips your hair of its natural oils, so replenishing that moisture is essential for preventing dryness and brittleness. For hair that's already showing signs of chlorine damage, restorative treatments are key. Incorporate a protein treatment into your weekly routine to help strengthen weakened hair strands and rebuild their structure. Additionally, use a rich, moisturizing hair mask 2 to 3 times a week to provide intense hydration. For an extra boost, consider an overnight natural oil treatment with coconut or argan oil, which can deeply nourish and restore your hair's health. To maintain long-term hair health, especially after chlorine exposure, limit heat styling and avoid harsh chemical treatments, as damaged hair is more susceptible to further harm. Regular trims, about every 6 to 8 weeks, are also important to remove split ends and encourage healthy growth. Remember, consistency is vital for recovery. And hey, while you're taking care of your hair, why not let a robot take care of your floors? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.